Hi guys, it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a barbell upright row. To start off, you're going to step up to your barbell, toes are going to be straight, feet are going to be at hips distance. You're going to hinge your hips back and drop down, grab your barbell, fingers are going to be facing you. Pulling your shoulder blades back, you're going to stand up nice and tall. Squeeze your core tight, keep your shoulders pulled back, and now your hands are going to be right at your sides. You're going to pull your elbows up to the sky, keeping your neck nice and neutral. Pushing your heels into the ground. And that is a barbell upright row.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!